Good day, Blocks Guru here. Today I'm going to teach you how to animate the action hit for our player, and we'll also add damage to the player so they can die. If you can't follow along, just copy the script in the description and follow the setup. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Let's start with the animation. Find the avatar in the menu toolbar and then click on it. Then click on the animation editor. This is where we'll create the animation. You'll see below that we already have the animation editor. After that, we'll add our avatar like R15. Here's how to do it. Click on the rig builder. It's set to R15 by default. Now, choose a shape, then click My Avatar, and your player will appear in the scene. Now this is the difficult part, the animation. If you want to follow me or create your own animation, it's up to you. And if you can't keep up, you can use the animation I made. I'll put the animation ID you'll need in the description. Let's start animating our player. All we need here are the right lower arm, right upper arm, and right hand. The same goes for the other side, since these are the only parts we'll be moving. I forgot to mention that if you're new to Roblox Studio, the snapping starts at 10. If you want smooth rotation, scaling, and movement, you need to hold Shift for it to be smooth. When you create an animation, you should start in this position with the arms straight, because this is Roblox's default handle position. Now, if you're not able to make an animation, you can skip this part and move on to the script. You can also use my animation so you won't have a hard time making one. But if you want to learn how to animate, follow along with what I'm doing frame by frame.
rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams.
Now, once you're done, publish it to Roblox. If you don't have an account yet, create one first, or if you already have an account, just log in, because that's where your animation will be saved. Once it's uploaded to Roblox, an ID will appear, and that's what we'll use in the script. You can also use my animation ID if you weren't able to follow along. We'll use this ID later in the script.
I can almost
Now that we're done with the animation, let's move on to creating the script so we can play the animation we made. I'll also add damage to the player that gets hit by our object. In replicated storage, we have a tool there, like a baseball bat or whatever object you named it. Just click the plus icon and select Local Script. That's where we'll add the behavior that our player will use. I'll speed up the video, but if you want to see it clearly, you can slow it down. I'll also put the full script in the description so it's easier for you.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you.
Now that I'm done, let's test if what we made works. But if it doesn't work on your end, just go back and rewatch the video. If it still doesn't work, just copy the script from the description to fix everything. As you can see, the animation and hit damage are now working. The dummy's health is decreasing. Later, I'll test it in an actual game by adding a player too. Now let's test it in an actual game. We'll use 2 players to see if it really works. Here's a tip. When you're making games in Roblox Studio, you should also test them in the actual game to check if there are any bugs. Sometimes it works on your end, but in the actual game, it doesn't. Or you can move something, but other players can't see it moving. So let's try now if our animation works. We'll also find out here if the hit damage in our script works on an actual player in Roblox. There, as you can see, our script is working on an actual player in Roblox. Is yours working too? If you followed along with me, it should work. But if it didn't, just copy my script and use that. The animation ID for the swing animation is included there as well. So we've now created a fully interactive object with animation. How cool is that? If you were able to make this, congratulations. You're now a Roblox developer. You can use this on any object, including the hit damage feature. In my next tutorial, we'll create a sprint move or sprint run and also a double jump. Can't wait? Me neither. So make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay updated. And believe in yourself. You can become a Roblox game developer. That's all for now. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.